Unlocking the power of AI tools, a step-by-step guide. Have you been wondering how AI tools can help you with your work? Look no further. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to unlock the power of AI tools and take your work to the next level. Step 1. Identify your problem. What are you looking to solve? Is it data analysis, process automation, or customer service? Once you know your problem, you can find the right AI tool to help you solve it. Step 2. Research and select your AI tool. There are many AI tools available, so do your research and select the one that fits your needs. Consider factors such as cost, ease of use, and integration with your current tools. Step 3. Train your AI tool. This is an important step to get the best results from your AI tool. Provide it with enough data to learn and make predictions. The more data you give it, the more accurate it will be. Step 4. Integrate your AI tool into your workflow. Now that your tool is trained, integrate it into your workflow to streamline your process and save time. This will also allow you to get a better understanding of how it works with your existing tools. Step 5. Monitor and evaluate the performance of your AI tool. This is an ongoing process, so continue to monitor and evaluate the performance of your tool. Use feedback to help improve its accuracy and effectiveness. With these 5 steps, you can unlock the power of AI tools and take your work to the next level. What AI tools are you interested in? Leave the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Check description for AI tools used for this video creation.